Your home is your fortress. Introducing Swann's Fourtify Wi-Fi Security Kit, a great way to get more security for less. It's easy to install, and you'll have multi-camera monitoring in the palm of your hand before you know it. Connect the main camera to power and your Wi-Fi network, and then connect the 3 additional cameras. 4 weatherproof cameras allow you to monitor your full perimeter 24/7 in rain, snow, and heat. You'll know what's happening at any hour with powerful infrared night vision that kicks in automatically. Have a presence at your home with 2-way audio, giving you peace of mind while you're away. You can check in on loved ones in need of care, communicate with delivery people remotely, and even scare off intruders from your phone. Equipped with Swann's TrueDetect, warm moving objects such as people, cars, and large animals trigger recording and push notifications straight to you. The Fourtify Wi-Fi Security Kit has free storage, allowing you to store thousands of clips onto the included 64GB micro SD card. Expand your security by adding more Wi-Fi cameras and sensors, and manage them all using the Swann Security app. Fortify your home with Swann's Fourtify Wi-Fi Security Kit and enjoy easy-to-install, reliable multi-camera security. It's security made smarter from Swann.